What's up, guys? Bionicle Combiners, back again with another Transformers video review. This time I'm doing Universe Classics 2.0 Ratchet. Requested. I'm not really sure what kind of SUV he is. All I know is he's an SUV. He's got this boomerang light up here. The Henke one has a better looking one, but you know, oh well. I've noticed a lot of people have like different versions of him, where this piece right here, like this paint job right here, was like completely gone, like it wasn't even there. And I also had people who had this, but this was white plastic. You know, just a lot of people had different things with their ratchets. Unfortunately, I got both. Me and my uncle ended up getting both. Yeah. Transforming him. His transformation is something that I like to call a puzzle formation. A description for it: one annoying as hell transformation. But it's simple. Why it's a puzzle former, you know, all these little things right here. Yeah. You know, they annoy you at first, but you know, you get used to it. Transformation, pop the bumper out and you fold this piece up like this, and there you go, he's done. Horrible review. I'm just kidding. Pull these out like this, and you're gonna this part's a little tricky, but once you get the foot folded out, you gotta somehow untab this and rotate it up like this, where you can straighten out the entire leg, fold that piece in, and fold the entire leg up. Now, just do the same thing with the other leg. Just don't break it, or you will be screwed. Just like how if I broke it, my uncle will literally kill me. Pop his waist down like that. He's got a super crotch. Yeah, he's ready for action. Okay. You pop those pieces out like that, and you fold these wheels down like this. You can kind of see his head right there. Fold that piece in, and this whole thing comes down like that, and the bumper kind of folds up like that. These pieces fold up like that, and good as the thriller. Someone pointed that out. Yeah, you fold up his hands, fold them down, and then you twist his arms. And then, there you go. Transformers Universe Classics 2.0 Ratchet. And just to get him next to somebody, here is animated Cybertron mode Ratchet. Just to get a quick look at some of the other versions of Ratchet that are around. You know, he's old and cranky, he's from back in the day. You know, of the two Ratchets right here, I get him. On win all of the two, I get him. Because he is one of those figures that, like, if you pass him up, you will never get him again. But yeah, that's it. Universe Classics 2.0, Ratchet.